What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're running the Hot Bodies Lightning gtx2 build twin. Sad to say guys, this engine here, the one-way bearing broke in testing yesterday, so I've had to order another one, so it's only running on this engine today, I'm afraid. I was testing it yesterday, last night, and the one-way bearing broke, and it's a £10 one-way bearing as well. I can't believe it. So yeah guys, so I had to order a new one-way bearing. When that comes I'm going to run both engines. So just run it for one now, a super rich setting, so the pace and the power is not going to be there today. I'm only testing this engine, don't know the history of it at all. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to start it up and I'll put us back on once it's going. Stay tuned for the run. Only one of the engines is going guys. The one-way bearing broke on one of the engines, so I can't start it. So I'm just taking it really easy guys. Way rich. Purposely slow guy, I got the engine set way rich since I'm only running one at the moment. I do guys like that. I'm again soaking wet. Well guys, it's only run on one engine. This engine runs fine. This engine, the one-way bearings broke, so I couldn't start it. So I've had to buy a new one-way bearing. It should be here soon, and I'll start that engine as well. Plug in this one's good, but the one in that looks rusty, so I'm going to have to put a new plug in that one as well. Anyway guys, so it's just a shakedown run, running it super rich since it's quite heavy and I've only got one engine working. So I'd set the high speed needle really rich. That's why it's lagging in power, otherwise it'd be ripping. So anyway guys, it'd be a great appreciation if you'd like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.